Hi, good evening, friends, my dear students. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) released a letter on 20th May 2020 on regarding call for participation in Young Warrior, a youth-led movement to combat COVID-19. Here it is addressed all the principals of CBSE affiliated schools for Young Warriors, a youth-led movement. Here is the letter that given. What address let's discuss. As India faces the brunt of the devastating second wave of COVID-19, 300 million young people represent one of our best hopes at solutions. As institutions affiliated with the board, we collectively engage millions of students every year, enabling this population to assume leadership role during crises such as this can instill strong leadership skills, empathy, as well as social consciousness among the youth. Two important things are given to be a COVID warriors. It is addressed to all the principals, and the main reason behind of addressing this letter is to assume leadership roles of the students, leadership roles of the teachers, and instilling the leadership quality, skills, empathy, as well as social consciousness among the youth. What social issues which are we facing that bring us social consciousness. The Central Board Secondary Education together with Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, UNICEF and a multi-stakeholder consortium of over 950 partners are activating the Young Warriors movement. Hatch Young Warrior is a nationwide movement to engage 500 million young people to lead actions against COVID-19 and impact 50 million people. Therefore, all school teachers are requested to encourage all students, teachers between the ages of 10 to 30 years to join this movement and safeguard themselves, their families, their communities, and the country. And here is the important thing that mentions restrictions of age in between the students who are in between 10 years to 30 years, or the teachers who are in between 30 years. The teachers below the 30 years and 30 years only can join the Young Warriors movements of COVID-19 fightings. To join, you have to follow the following steps, and you will be eligible to get a certificate, UNICEF certificate on completion of the task. First one, WhatsApp type YMA, Young Warriors, and send it to 9650411141, or they could simply give a missed call to 08066019225. Once they join, they can motivate 10 or more young people 10-30 years to join the movement and pledge to take action against COVID-19 by posting messages with the phrase I am Young Warriors on social media, tagging 5 friends. This engagement will comprise a series of easy and real life tasks with the Young Warriors and earning certificate for the action. These actions include promoting access to verified health and essential service, vaccine registrations, COVID appropriate behaviors, myth busting, etc. These tasks will be hosted in 10 regional languages to protect themselves, their families, and their neighborhood against COVID-19. And the first is a technology-based chat boot platform called U Report WhatsApp YMA to 9650414141, and the second is an interactive voice response IVR based platform that is called to 08066019225 for young people who may not have WhatsApp internet, and the third is the through community radio for those who have no access to phones or internet. This will be supported by knowledge and learning hub of that is Prachi CF.com Young Warriors with indexed state passive information tools and blended learning modules that are adolescents and youth friendly. Finally, the key message: positive stories of youth and action will be promoted on social media through partners and influencers. So, follow Yuha on Warrior for more information. Look forward to Young Warrior leading to your crisis. This is the information that given an address. Here is the take action against COVID-19. Become a Young Warriors. The portal that gives. So this is the in detail information regarding your community radio, Young Warriors, everything gives. So thank you and participate more and more in these Young Warriors campaigns of Education Ministry, Sports Ministry and Health Ministry of Central Government for social consciousness and enhancing the leadership skill. Thank you.